concept. Mole concept you have already studied in junior classes, that is class 9 or 10. But again in class 11 we have to study this topic. So what is mole? Mole, it is the amount of substance which contains as many particles as present in 12 gram C12 atoms. Now the formula to find out the number of moles, it is denoted by n, small n, it is equal to m divided by m naught, where m is the mass of the sample, the given mass, and m naught is the molar mass of the given sample. Number of moles, it can be also equal to n divided by Na, where n is the number of particles and Na is the Avogadro's number. What's the value of Avogadro number? It is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So Avogadro's number, it is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, particles, ions, molecules, etc. Now we will discuss atomic mass. What is atomic mass? Atomic mass, it is obvious from the name, atom is there. So atomic mass is the mass of a single atom. And what is molecular mass? Molecule is involved here. It is the mass of one molecule. And what is molar mass? So molar mass is the mass of one mole particles. 1 mole means mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Now the particles may be atoms, it may be molecules. So molar mass is the mass of 1 mole particles. If the particles is atom, then it is also known as gram atomic mass, denoted by GAM. GAM stands for gram atomic mass. So what is gram atomic mass? Gram atomic mass is the mass of 1 mole of atoms. And if the mass of 1 mole molecules is involved, then it is denoted by GMM. That is, and is known as gram molecular mass. So molar mass is expressed in two ways, either in terms of GAM, that is gram atomic mass, or in terms of GMM, that is gram molecular mass. When to use gram atomic mass? When the particles is atom. And when to use gram molecular mass? When the particles are molecules. Now let us take an example, nitrogen. Now nitrogen, here its atomic mass is 14U and it is 14 gram. 14 gram is gram atomic mass of nitrogen, and atomic mass of nitrogen is 14U. What is U? U is the unified mass. It is the unified mass. So atomic mass of nitrogen is 14U, that is 14 unified mass. And remember here that 1 U equal to 1 AMU. And if we have to convert U, that is unified mass, into gram, then always remember that 1 U, it is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So U represents the atomic mass. So 14U is the atomic mass of nitrogen, and 14 gram is the gram atomic mass of nitrogen. Remember here that 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, and for atoms we are using GAM, that is gram atomic mass. For a molecule, 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Molecule is involved here. Therefore, we will use GMM, gram molecular mass. Now, for gaseous particles, particles are in gaseous phase. Then 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles, which is equal to 22.4 liters, and 22.4 liters is known as the molar volume. Here 22.4 liter is at STP. What is STP? Standard temperature and pressure. Here the pressure it is 1 atm, and temperature it is 273 Kelvin. Okay, so 1 mole of gaseous particle, so it is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. STP means pressure should be equal to 1 atm and temperature should be equal to 273 Kelvin. So always remember that volume of 1 mole of a gas, it is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. Now remember this flow chart, how to calculate the number of moles. So here there is 4 cases. First one is for atomic substances where atoms are involved. Then to find out the number of moles, the formula is N is number of moles, N equal to M divided by GAM, where M is the given mass of the sample, GAM it is the gram atomic mass. So this formula is applicable for atomic substances. Now if the substances is particles, then the formula is number of moles equal to N divided by Na, where N is the number of particles, N is the number of particles divided by Na. Na is Avogadro's number. Now third case is if the given species involves a molecule. If the question, the numerical involves a molecule, then how to calculate the number of moles? So the formula is N equal to M divided by GMM, gram molecular mass, where M is the given mass of the sample and GMM is the gram molecular mass of the sample. It is applicable when a molecule is involved. And if we have to calculate the number of moles of gaseous particles, gaseous substances, then N it is equal to number of moles equal to volume of the given substance at STP in liters divided by 22.4 liters. So basically there are 4 formulas. This one it is applicable for atomic substances. Now for particles the formula is N equal to N by Na, number of particles divided by Avogadro's number, and for molecular substances the formula is number of moles equal to given mass of the sample divided by gram molecular mass, and for gaseous substances the formula is number of moles equal to volume at STP in liter divided by 22.4 liters. So remember these 4 formulas. Now for example, question is calculate the number of moles of 392 gram of sulfuric acid. This is question number 1. And second question is calculate the number of moles of 44.8 liter of carbon dioxide. So let us solve first one, number 1. calculate the number of moles of 392 gram of H2SO4. तो ये जो 4 फॉर्मूलाज दिया हुआ है, ये 4 फॉर्मूलाज में से कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे? तो H2SO4 it is a molecule, therefore we will use this formula N equal to M by GMM. Therefore N equal to M divided by GMM. So M is the given mass of the sample. What is the given mass? It is 392 gram. And sulfuric acid, what's the gram molecular mass? Sulfuric acid H2SO4. So the gram molecular mass is H2. 2 into 1 plus sulfur 32 plus 4 into 16. It is equal to 98. So the GMM, gram molecular mass of sulfuric acid, it is 98. Now you can solve this one. Okay. Now question number 2. Calculate the number of moles of 44.8 liter of CO2. Now एक 4 formula दिया हुआ है. Which formula is applicable? CO2, it is a gas in gaseous state. Therefore we have to calculate the number of moles for gaseous substances. Therefore we will use the formula N. It is equal to volume at STP in liter divided by 22.4 liters. So what is the given volume? Here volume at STP in liter, it is 44.8 liter. 44.8 liter divided by 22.4 liter, that is it is equal to 2. In this way we can calculate the number of moles.